Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the Fuel Your Body roasted red pepper chicken, one of their new meals here. And in this one there is 408 calories, 39 grams of protein, 45 carbohydrate, and 8 grams of fat. The ingredients being chicken, vermicelli noodles, peppers, onions, pea shoots, seasoning, olive oil, and Southwest sauce, which I tried the Southwest sauce out yesterday and it's amazing. So I'm excited to have it again today. And it may contain nuts, it's gluten-free and contains dairy. I cooked this up in the microwave for 1:30 and I think that was the perfect amount of time. We got nice looking chicken here, some vegetables and noodles. Real excited to give this one a shot. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna try it without the sauce at first, but I definitely want to have that sauce on here because it's so good. Wow. The seasoning on that is so good. Wow. So I want to use some of this sauce here on it. Delicious. This stuff's real good. Here we go. That is very flavorful. Chicken's got a really nice taste to it. The noodles are really good. The vegetables nice. And that Southwest sauce tying it all together perfectly. So I really like that roasted red pepper chicken. That was a good one. Really good one. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this an 8 out of 10. I love that Southwest sauce. Perfect. The chicken's got a good flavor too, and these noodles as well. So it all comes together, making a very nice meal. So yeah, go try it out. You can order this online at eatfyb.ca. You can order one-time meals or reoccurring meal plan. Got some great deals on there too, as well as you can view them on Instagram at eatfyb. You can see their new menu options and you can shoot them a message if you're having any questions about ordering. So yeah, go check them out. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.